Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Just click here on profile, click on it. When you just click on profile, then it's going to take you to your profile here. So then you go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on activity filter. Just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Come here to orbits here. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's my orbits enable with us now. Then you go above save, click on it. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.